Hello friends, welcome to Wink Eyes. Today I am going to teach you how image is to be used, how to build a Docker image from the local, and from the local how you can push the Docker image to the Docker Hub, which is the public repository, and from Docker Hub how same image or any image can be pulled to the local and how it has to be executed. So we can start with the demo. Before all those things, let me show you. I have a simple Spring Boot application called Playaround, and in that I placed one file called Docker file. And in that, let me show you the Docker file, what it contains. So it is going to expose an web application which is with the port 8083, and we have Java need to be installed, and placing the jar to the appropriate container and running that one. And here is the last command to run the Java application. Now before we start, we should know we have to build the application, and our jar need to be ready in the target folder, since in the Docker we have specified from where the jar it has to pick. So in my application I am using Maven to build the project. You can use any other tool where you can build the application and make the jar or whatever is that. So let me start. Since it's already in my target folder, I'm going to command prompt. Okay, before I start, I'll let you show you that this is my Docker Hub repository, and there is no image available in this one. So end of this tutorial, you will be knowing like one image will be available here, which is ready to use for public, since it's a public repository. Okay, let's start. So in the command prompt, the prerequisite is that Docker need to be installed in your local system. Let me see the Docker version what I have. Okay, it is taking a bit time. Okay, I think it's not a appropriate version. Okay, sorry, it is /docker v. So it is 19.03 and 1.2 is the version. Fine, anything is fine, whichever you want to use the latest version. So now let me log into the Docker Hub. The command is docker login. Let me give the user name. Password is let me see whether it will log in successfully or not. Yes, it has been logged in. So in my local weather, I want to check any images already built for rehearsal if I had done it like that. Let me check that. That is Docker images. So yes, there are few images already present, but these are like 3 weeks or 3 years ago. I'm not sure how it is available in this system. Let's ignore that one. And now since we have logged in and we are in the current repository, is like workstation location, and let me build the image first. That is Docker image build and minus T is for tag, and tag means like what name we have to provide. Since playground is the one which I usually used for the application, I'll keep the same thing, and since it's in current directory dot. Okay, daemon ran and build successful. So I can see 27 MB is the file, the build file size. Okay, docker images, the same command I'm running again now. So I can see playground is the image which I have now. Okay, now the next part is we have to tag the image. So how to do it? It is docker image, docker tag, and which one, playground, and what is the tag which we need to provide. Here the trick part is like the name what we are going to provide, the tag should be the Docker Hub user name slash the tag name. So I use Wink Ice slash playground. Okay, let me do again, docker images. So here we can see the tag has been created for that one, and this is the image. So usually this will go and sit in the repository. So now since tag is already created, let me push this image to Docker Hub. The command is docker push, and I'll take the name. Let's see whether it will start. Yes, yeah, it will start and it will upload the file. Okay, started preparing. I'll pause the video for a while and we can see the results later. Hello again, welcome back. So let me see whether the repository is already pushed or not. Let me refresh. Yes, so here 5 minutes ago the playground has been pushed. The image is available. Sorry. Okay, now the next step is, so this image is available for the vault. They can use pull that repository and use that one. How they do it I can also show you for you guys. So now currently let me clear all these things. So since Docker image is available in my system, Docker images, I want to remove that one, because since I'm pulling the new image from the repository, I need to act like I am fresh to that one and I don't have that particular image at all. So we need to remove this image. First let me remove the tag which has, that is docker remove image, and do first for WinkEye tag. Okay, it is saying okay, so first let me do remove the image itself. So untagged. Now I'll do the same thing. So I deleted. So if I see Docker images, it doesn't contain any Docker file, and I'll log out also, Docker logout, because Docker Hub is a public repository. No need to log in again to pull that one, since I know what is the image name for that one. Okay, clear. Now what I do is docker pull wing eyes slash play round. So it pulls the latest image. Otherwise there is a command where we can provide which image you want to pull that one. So it's 24 MB. It's coming a bit faster. Let's wait for it. So meanwhile what I can say is, like, once it downloads, the image is available in your local, it is ready to run. So this way the Dockerization helps the developers no need to install all the setups, softwares to run the particular application. It is ready to use kind of a thing. So since it's downloaded, and okay, now let's run the Docker image what we have pulled it. The command is docker run -p, the port which we need to map with the container and the application, that is I have given 8083 colon 8083. So this is my container port, this is my application port. You can specify any port whichever you want to run in the container. And now I'll give wing eyes slash play around. Okay, as you see, we can see that the application started. This is a simple Spring Boot application which says hello as per the output. Okay, 1 minute. Let's go to the image browser and hit http://8080/ and enter. Okay, hello. So this is the output I was looking for, hello. And this is the end of my demo also. Hope you guys like it. If you like this video, please like this video down below this video. And if you want to subscribe my channel, you can subscribe it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.